Folks, I swear this recipe is how I got my kids to love Brussels sprouts, and I've been making this for years. It's a recipe by Jean-Georges Vongerichten, who happens to be one of my chef heroes growing up. Today I'm going to show you how to make this roasted Brussels sprouts with toasted pecans and avocado. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We are going to bring a pot of salted water to a boil to blanch the Brussels. Add about 2.5 pounds of cleaned Brussels. Careful not to splash the boiling water back at you. Cook these babies for about 3 minutes and then drain them and allow them to cool for a few minutes. Meanwhile, in a bowl, we're going to add some olive oil, freshly cracked sea salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. Give it a little mixy-mixy. And this is how the chefs mix their ingredients, by the way. No need to dirty up utensils, especially when you're the one washing the dishes. Using a paring knife, trim the stem end off the bottom of the Brussels sprout and have them from top to bottom. Then you're going to want to plop these cute little green morsels into the olive oil mixture. Give it a good toss to combine. If you need to use a spoon or a spatula to help combine them, I won't be mad at you. When I preheated the oven earlier, I also included this sheet pan. This is completely optional. I like this sheet pan to be piping hot to help kickstart the roasting process. Flip these babies cut side down, but be careful not to burn your fingertips. Fortunately for me, after decades of chefing in a hot kitchen and playing guitar and drums, I have no feeling left in my fingertips whatsoever. Okay, these go into the oven for about 20 minutes or until they're caramelized. In the meantime, chop a few sprigs of fresh thyme, chop 2 ounces of toasted pecans, and cut a ripe avocado into small cubes. We're going to reuse that previous bowl because my lazy butt's not going to wash a new one. Add some olive oil, a couple of tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and set it aside. When the Brussels are done, check the caramelization. These look perfectly caramelized. Dump these all into that little balsamic vinaigrette we made into the bowl. Add your chopped pecans, and your avocado, and your chopped thyme. And give it a good toss. Learning how to toss ingredients in a sloped bowl like this is an art unto itself. That should be its own class in culinary school. Now dump this all into a serving bowl. And voila, delicious roasted Brussels sprouts with toasted pecans and avocado. Now go get cooking.